Jersey fishing area. A little late getting out here, but we're getting out. Do some fluke fishing today. See what we can get. Harry. Fish on, guys. Fish on. First fluke of the 2019 fishing season for me, and proud to say it's a dink. But it's a nice fluke. It's a little one, and we're starting out. All right. What we got? We got one. One is better than none, right? At least we don't have any skunk left to take home. Took some of it off right there. And yeah, you saw me catch that, right? That was a 2.5 inch Gulp Alive Mini. Right? 2.5 inch Gulp Alive Mini. Wanted to see if they would work. I think a bigger one would probably work a little better, but that fluke had no problem jumping on that. He ate that just fine. So, all right, well, we're gonna fish here a little while yet. Maybe we'll get some more. Harry got a fish on. Looks like a small fluke. That's the second one. I caught one earlier, same size. Nice little fluke. Fish on, guys. Nice fluke here. A nicer fluke, I should say. It's not a giant one, but a nicer one. Still a little small. No, it looks small to me. Have to get the tape measure on him.
You don't have a tape measure?
No. Think so? Looks a little small. We're gonna put a tape measure on him. I think he looks a little small though. That's the second one I got out of this spot, but
here. Okay, I'm going to green gulp then.
I'm gonna say he's 12.
I'm going to say he's 16.
Yeah?
$14. $15. I'm going to say 15.
15-inch fish.
It's short.
Short by an inch. But we'll get him back. Maybe we'll get another one.
Okay, it's green gulp then.
Well, I had the other one was hitting you on white gulp, so.
Well, I'm going to put green out. Awesome, Ronnie. Might be that tail flailing around that pulls them in. I don't know. In a scent too. But...
Getting back there. See what we can do here. See if we get some more, folks. At least we're not skunked. That's 2 for today. Both a little on the short side. The one really on the short side, but Harry got one. I think I got another one. That quick, I got another one. You hear me? Harry. Got another one that quick, guys. As soon as I cast back out, I got another one. That or the school's moving through. It looks like a small one again. But some fun fishing when you can throw out one after another and catch them. There are a lot of smallies out there. Not smallie bass, but smallie as far as the fluke are concerned. If you take notice, my rig's not set up like everybody else's. I didn't like the way they tie them down here, so I tied it up myself. Seems to be working good for me. See what else we get out there. He hit that pretty quick. Another fish on, guys. Feels like another small one, but we'll take it. Lots of smally ones here in the surf. When I say small, he's probably around that 14, 15 inch mark. Maybe he's bigger. Want to try this one? But he looks short to me. I'd say he's around 12 inches. What do you think? Hey, it does not hurt to measure. When you don't measure, you don't really know how big it is, you know?
14, 15 inches.
That's what I'm thinking.
He's almost 6. You know what? He's 15 and a half.
Well, that's still a ½ inch too small. So we'll let him back. Got another one. Looks like another short. There he goes. Get him back here. There. Swim, be free. Thanks for visiting. Harry got something on. Let's go down and see what he's getting. Looks like a small fluke. That's what it looks like from here. We're getting a lot of small fluke, but we're not getting any big ones. Biggest one so far was 15 and a half inches. Of course, this gets fished pretty hard. I'm sure it gets picked over. I got a fish on here, guys. Pretty sure. Looks like a nicer one, maybe. Let's see what we got. He's not peel and drag or anything, but it's not too bad. That 12, 13 inch range, maybe. More like 9 or 10 inch range, right? I guess my arms are just getting tired. I'm flipping out there and pulling in little ones. I need to revitalize myself with a big one. Now that would be something, huh? You get 1 or 2 keepers, try to be happy. I know Harry would be happy with 2 keepers. That way we both get one to take home, eat with the family, you know. One ain't a lot. You can eat that no problem by yourself. You get 2 or 3 of them, you get a nice meal. All right, let's get back to fishing. Looks like Harry hooked up with one finally again. It's been a while since we had a fish. Let's see what he got. Looks short, but it might be like right on the button. You never know. Sometimes they're short, they look short, then you start measuring them, and they're completely fine. You gonna measure? It looks short. Huh? I guess you agree, huh? Well, we're getting back close to where we came out on the beach, so we'll probably be heading out of here soon. I think we got about a dozen fluke all totaled today, and which isn't a bad day of fishing. This would have been nice if a couple of them would have stretched the okay to take home and put in a pan. But you know, it's not always about taking some home. Sometimes it's about just having a good time fishing. Today's just having a good time fishing, I guess. I don't know what I got here, guys, but I got something. Yep, I got something there. I think it's a nice fluke, finally. Keeper. Keeper. I think we finally got us a keeper. I think he's too small.